Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to try and be as real as I possibly can with you. I'm going to explain to you what is going on with the market, but we're also going to be taking a look at Cardano as the main topic of this video. We're also going to be taking a look at a price analysis to see where could the market be heading. So if you guys do take any value from this video, don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe button, or share the video for more. With that, let's jump straight into the video. Now in a second we are going to be taking a look at Bitcoin on the charts, and hopefully it will give you a better understanding as to what is happening. As you can see at the moment, Bitcoin is at $31,000 and altcoins have some very nice buying opportunities across the board for the long-term game. As you can see, Ethereum's at $1,800, Cardano is at a very nice $1.18, XRP is at 59 cents, Chainlink is now at $15 considering it was at $50 not too long ago. That is an incredible buying opportunity for your long-term bags. So overall at the moment the market is pretty quiet, but if we jump onto Bitcoin on the charts, this is exactly what is happening in my opinion. So as you can see here, this is $10,000 and $21,000. This is zone 1, and if we do fall below that $21,000 level, this would have never been seen before in a bull run, so that is 100% confirmation that the bull run is over. If we do fall below that $21,000 level, we will continue to fall and we will have support at $10,000. If we do fall below $10,000, that is effectively game over in my opinion for the whole crypto space. At the moment, as you can see here, we are in zone 2, which is currently the levels of $21,000 and $43,000 level. So as you can see, we are currently in a sideways motion and nothing is happening at the moment. So in my opinion, if we do fall below $21,000, the bull run is over, and if we do break above $43,000, the bull run will continue and we will go to above $75,000 in my opinion. For now, I have been accumulating and dollar cost averaging with altcoins and Bitcoin, but for me that is why I've been taking time off cryptocurrency, because effectively nothing is happening at the moment. No news is going to change this. It is simply the case of we have to be patient with the market, and what will happen will happen. So overall, over the past few months, many people have been getting wrecked in this crypto space, and simply enough, majority have given up with the crypto space. But that does not mean that this space is not going anywhere. We are simply seeing a big correction. A lot of people have given up, but the smart people, in my opinion, will be accumulating at the bottom. The long-term game in cryptocurrency is the best game, and in my opinion, it is the best way to make simple money. But if we now jump onto the main topic of this video, and it's going to be all about Cardano. Now, Cardano has been pretty quiet over the past few months, but again, it has been very strong compared to the majority of cryptocurrencies. Now, Cardano has some very big things coming up in the next few months, and will it affect the price and will we see some big traction? Possibly, it's a very big maybe, but again, it all depends on Bitcoin's movement for the time being. Now this article says Cardano grows closer to launching smart contracts with the new testnet. The Alonzo White testnet brings NFTs and various DeFi use cases one step closer for Cardano. And it says down here, IOHK, the blockchain development team behind Cardano, announced on July 15th that the project's Alonzo testnet had officially transitioned from blue to white, bringing with it the ecosystem's long anticipated expansion to the functional smart contracts. And as you can see here, input-output tweeting themselves saying hard fork successful. Delighted to report around 7:44 UTC, we successfully forked the Alonzo testnet to the new Alonzo White node. The new network is happily making blocks already. While the previous testnet, known as Alonzo Blue, did offer some smart contract features, they were only available to a limited number of insiders. Yesterday's upgrade will allow 500 validators, stake pool operators and developers to test these features going forward. Alonzo White is set to run for 2 to 4 weeks before upgrading to the final testnet for its current development phase, known as Alonzo Purple. Despite some recent backlash from others in the blockchain community, Cardano founder Charles Hoskinson recently said in a YouTube video that everything is still on track according to the project's development roadmap, noting that more than $10 million in NFTs have already been sold throughout the Cardano network, along with tens of thousands of assets. Once Alonzo White is released to the mainnet, developers will be able to launch dApps, NFTs and more. And finally, with more companies and artists joining the growing NFT marketplace such as Dolce & Gabbana and Fantasy Soccer platform, bringing more NFTs to the network could lead to big gains for Cardano and its users. So overall, even though majority of people have walked away from crypto at this point, we are still seeing the biggest projects like Cardano work very hard to get their deadlines met. We are going to be seeing some incredible opportunities coming to Cardano over the next few months, but yes, even though it's not creating crazy price movement at the moment, which will not happen until Bitcoin decides what it wants to do. But I want to know down below, are you still a long-term believer of this crypto space? Now, before we jump into a price analysis involving Cardano, this is the last article that I would like to show you. Yes, it is slightly older news, but I did not cover it on this channel, but it is still very important news. And this article says, Grayscale adds Cardano to its digital large cap fund. Asset managers sold some existing constituents of the fund and used the proceeds to purchase ADA. And it says down here, Grayscale Investments added ADA, the native token of the Cardano blockchain, to its digital large cap fund. And a few points here, and this one says, the digital asset manager has sold some existing constituents of the fund and used the proceeds to purchase ADA, an announcement on Friday said. The addition comes as part of Grayscale's quarterly rebalancing of the fund. In April, Grayscale added Chainlink's linked token. Cardano is a proof-of-stake blockchain that aims to surpass the scalability and efficiency of Ethereum. ADA has risen more than 600% year to date and is sitting at $1.18, up 1.8% in the last 24 hours at the present time. Grayscale is owned by Digital Currency Group, the partner company of CoinDesk. So overall, this is a big deal for all Cardano holders, as it goes to show that even Grayscale and very big companies at that level have their eyes on cryptos like Cardano, which again to me shows that cryptocurrencies like Cardano are going to be here for the next 5 to 10 plus years, because those are the cryptocurrencies that are here to stay. Now, to finish off today's video, we are going to be taking a look at a quick little price analysis, and if I show you this chart here, as you can see, this is what Cardano has been doing over the past few months, and it is not a lot of action. As you can see, we ended up peaking at the levels of $2.47, and since then we have come down all the way to the levels of $1.17. We have bottomed so far at $1, and we have not seen a retest of that level since, but in a couple weeks or in a week or so, we may see a test of that level. What is the case for Cardano? Where are we going long term? What is going on? As I said at the start of the video, Bitcoin's movement is incredibly key for the rest of the crypto space, so let's look at it from this scenario. If we do see Bitcoin fall below the levels of $21,000, then I do think that Cardano will fall below 80 cents, which to a lot of people is an incredible buying opportunity, but it is also a very dangerous zone to be in. In my opinion, if we do break above the levels of $43,000, then this is where we will see this sort of level again for the cryptos like Cardano. But for the meantime, whilst Bitcoin is consolidating between the $30,000 and the $40,000 level, we are seeing the same with Cardano, ranging between the levels of $1 and $1.60. So again, if you are in cryptocurrency for the long term, these are some very good buying opportunities on the way down. But if you are in cryptocurrency for a quick buck or two, as this is clearly proven over the past couple months, you are not going to get rich incredibly quick in this crypto space. Now, cryptocurrency has the capability of changing your life forever, but at the same time, it can also ruin everything. A lot of people get caught up in the emotions, a lot of people get caught up on the ride, and they simply go all in, or they get a crypto loan, and they end up screwing themselves completely. This is not the case, and people get too hyped up in a similar situation. I personally did myself. I was getting incredibly hyped up to see crypto blow up out of the water, and now we have seen a big retracement and we're all back to where we started. A lot of people have got to bear in mind that crypto does do this sort of thing, and when 99% of people end up leaving this crypto space, you are going to be seeing big institutions come in at a very heavy level. It's just a case of when. As we've seen before, this financial system is completely destroyed and we are on the brink of it collapsing. When is it going to happen, and when is this transition going to come about? I am very confident crypto is going to be a huge part of all of our futures, but again, how and when is it going to happen? Now remember guys, as I always say on this channel, be greedy when others are fearful, stay patient, and you will become a winner in this crypto space. There is still a long road ahead in this space to go, and if you are here at this point whilst all of the crypto space has been taking a very big downward trend, then you are here to stay. Now ladies and gentlemen, that is absolutely everything I've got for you in today's video. If you did take any value from this video and you would like to learn more, we have the Crypto News Patreon where we have one-to-one calls where we can go over anything crypto related. If you would like a portfolio review, your future steps, or simply learning the basics about crypto. We also have the Gold membership where if you are looking for an incredible Discord community, we will help you to the best of our ability on your crypto journey. We're also trying to hit 10,000 followers on our Twitter account, so if you guys do have Twitter, it would really mean a lot to me if you could drop me a follow, as we're trying to hit a very big target at the end of the year. So if you guys did take any value from this video, don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe button, or comment down below, as it really helps the algorithm. With that, I've been Crypto Nobes, thank you for watching, hopefully I'll see you in my next video, peace.